Disclaimer alert, 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 disclaimer.
Good day, sir. I am Angelo Villazur, BS in BSCrim 2A, representing the first aid Improvise tools in a fracture. So I have a broken arm here. I will put the top, the wooden wood. So I will put it in the under. So just hanap lang kayo ng patungan. Katulad yan, ipapatong para mag-alalay lang ba. So put in up and down, or maybe you can put another one on side and another side, but it's okay if you have a up and down. So if you have can't find another wood, so you just itali, you just itali the towel from the front and another one from the back. So your arm will not bali like that because the wood will prevent the additional movement of your hand. The bandaging, so if you have clean clothes or anything you say, a clothes or towels, just like that. So if you have an open wound like this in the side of that, when there is the wound, you will doon mo siya bubuhulan para papansin ng doktor kung saan gagamutin. Katulad ng una, papatong muna. Pagkapatong, ibuhol. Pagkabuhol, ibuhol ulit dito sa harap kung saan yung sugat. Doon mo ibubuhol para alam ng doktor kung paano ito, kung saan banda gagamutin. Another one. Yan. Diyan yung sugat, kaya diyan mo rin itatapat yung pagbuhol para para pagbukas ng doktor, diyan may kita niya yung sugat kaagad. Yan. Kung paano ang pag-treatment ng sugat. Una, hugasan muna ng tubig o kaya agua-oxinada. Nang pagluminis siya, papahiran nyo ng bulak para maglinis yung sugat. Pagkalinis ng sugat, papahiran nyo ng gamot. Daan-daan lang sa pagpahiran ng gamot kasi masakit yan. Yan. Pag nalinis mo na yung sugat niyan, tsaka mo siya lalagyan ng band-aid. So ayan, ilagay mo lang siya sa mismong gitna, tapos atangin mo lang siya ganyan at ganyan. So ganyan ang paglinis ng sugat. Ayun yung number 3. At ayun lamang po, at maraming salamat.